Hey everyone, this is Ben, and I wanted to do a quick video because I just made $1,700 in one trade trading penny stocks, and I was in and out of the stock probably within an hour's time or less with a $1,700 profit. So I want to show you how valuable having the right tools and resources are. This was a momentum trade. It's kind of my specialty. So I'll show you exactly step by step how I made this trade. So step number one is I was watching my news feed. It's been a slow market, but you have to have patience. You can't jump the gun on stocks until you find one that meets all the right criteria. So it's been a slow week, but I've been scanning and looking at the news feed, and this news came out right here, symbol MJMJ. Scroll down and it says History Channel documentary featuring the Mary Jane Group Incorporated and the Bud Plus Breakfast set to air on Monday, January 16th, 2016. All right, so there's a couple things going on for this news here. First of all, have a news feed. If you don't, you're kind of like a blind trader because especially in penny stocks, it's based off speculation and momentum, and news really impacts how stocks are traded and the dollar volume and the inflection. So basically, I saw a couple things here. History Channel, that's a big key indicator that this could run because it's a big name. These are penny stock startup companies. So when you see a name like the History Channel, that's a big buzzword for traders to come in and look and see what's going on. So anyway, that's all I pretty much needed to know. You know, this has to be quick. Penny stocks are quick. You can't take a lot of time, but it just takes practice. So I saw the History Channel news. And the first thing I did after that is I pulled up my level 2 and I put in the symbol MJMJ, and I saw where it was trading at, and you know, I saw if it was in a sweet spot, if it was already up too much, already down too much. And here you see it's up 366% today. But when I saw it, it was trading. See the low right here is 0.0003. And so when I saw it, it was at 0.0003, and that was the bid, and the ask was 0.0004. So the next thing I did, it looked good. It wasn't up too much already. It's in a nice sweet spot price range. So the next thing I did is I pulled up the OTC Markets website, and I put in the symbol in the OTC Markets website because I wanted to check just one thing. I wanted to check how many shares the company has outstanding because that affects the price, and that affects how easy the stock is to move or not. So I saw down here, we look right here, outstanding shares, it's almost 1.5 billion shares outstanding, which sounds like a lot, but for a stock in the 0.0003 price range, that's actually really good for the news it had. So I took in consideration the news, the shares outstanding, and what the stock was trading at. And that gave me enough indicator that I should probably pull the trigger on this stock and take a chance on it, especially for a momentum stock. The other thing you look for is if there's volume starting to happen, people are taking notice. So I saw a little bit of volume, a little bit of influx in the stock. I decided to pull the trigger. Okay, and so you see here, this is my real E-Trade account. You see down here at the very bottom, that was 1.5. That was a few days ago. And today is 1.7. So I bought 10 million shares for $4,000 right here at so here's the price at 0.0004. So I bought 10 million shares, and then I proceeded. The stock ran, the news spread, people got word on social media and the investor networks and the message forums, and you can see right here, I trickled off all of these shares between 5 and 7. So, and you saw before, it's up a lot more now. This was a conservative trade on my part. It went up to, I think, 0.0015. Let's take a look. So the high today, yep, 0.0015. So I sold way early, but you know, we have a saying in the penny stock world is any green is good. So you got to take your money off the table. You got to profit. You're always going to be kicking yourself in the head, just saying, "Why didn't I wait longer?" But on the flip side of that, sometimes if you wait too long, you can end up not only losing your profits but actually losing your account balance. So I'm conservative. That's why I've been trading penny stocks for 7 years. I decided to peel off my shares. I got the strike price was 0.0004, and I started peeling off my shares between 0005 and 0007. And I want to point out something here. I did do a wire out, so I wired out $700 out of my account because my wife needs a new pair of shoes. So I wired that out, so that'll reflect in the balance. But now if we go over to my balance, you can see the previous close as of 1/6/16 was $11,620.87. The real-time value right now, you see it's 1/7/16 at 3:32 p.m. Eastern, is $12,659, and then you add on that other $700 I wired out already, and that totals about just over $1,700 I made on one trade. And I think we can look at the timestamps here. Or I guess there's no timestamps, but I think it was within an hour that I made $1,700 trading one stock. So let me just go over this again. I saw the news here. I came down to my level 2 quotes, saw what price it was at. At the time, it was around 0003, 0004. So that was enough indicator for me to come here to the OTC markets, put in the stock symbol, check out the situation with the share structure right here. That gave me enough information to go ahead and pull the trigger with the trade. We can see right here, 10 million shares at 0004, and it led to a pretty hefty profit. So that is a classic momentum trade. It could also be called a flip trade. I decided to get out of it today and not hold it. Sometimes I will hold the stock for longer. Sometimes I'll peel off a lot of a position and leave some of it, kind of riding the house's money. But I decided to take the profits and make this video so I could show you guys the potential of penny stocks and how you can wait and wait and wait. And if you have patience and if you have the right education and the right tools, in one day, not only that, in 1 hour, you can make, for some people, a month's salary. So, and that was in 1 hour trading penny stocks. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.